Hello and welcome to the Kaun Banega Smart Buyer channel. Today we are going to share the best possible gaming desks available in the market. So at number 5 in the Kaun Banega Smart Buyer list is Eureka Ergonomic Z1S gaming desk, which features large gaming surface that has sleek carbon fiber texture, and this desk has plenty of space which can easily fit accessories like gaming monitors, gaming keyboard and other gaming gear. The gaming surface measures 44.5 inches wide by 24.2 inches deep. Supports up to 40-inch monitor. This desk comes with LED lighting which needs to connect to your gaming PC or laptop with a USB. The LED lighting glows with color changing lights for a better gaming experience. This gaming desk offers a rock solid G-shaped design which looks very cool, and it's very sturdy, and comes with 4 leveling feet to make sure your PC gaming desk is level and stable. No wobbling. This gaming desk also comes with plenty of added features which makes gaming experience much better, because it offers extra cup holder, headphone hook, control stand, game storage and an extra large mousepad for gaming keyboard and mouse. This desk is built with the creation of customer satisfaction that makes sure the design and the comfort they are providing are best in the market. This desk will cost you around 18,000 rupees approx, and the link is in the description. The next on our list at number 4 is Eureka Ergonomic Z2 gaming desk, which features cable management system by providing us a storage box for power strip and 2 wire management trays for the segregation of the cables, and it comes with cup holder and etc., which helps to save extra space on the desk and makes easy for us to reach for drinking and listening. 5-degree ergonomic incline which is given to provide comfort, and its ergonomic design gives us the advantage for long intense gaming sessions by featuring the inclined keyboard tray and mouse area which is covered by the included large mouse pad. It also features unique design of mobile device slot where we can put our phone or tablet in our line of sight for added comfort, plus large cool surface area with the area of 50.6 inches in length by 27 inches in width, with carbon fiber textured work which looks pretty cool, smooth and durable, perfectly meeting your need to work or gaming. This desk will cost you around 21,000 rupees, and the link is in the description. Next at number 3 in our list is Eureka Ergonomic Cold Rolled Steel Captain Series Carbon Fiber Gaming Desk, which features exclusively and fully covered mousepad for free. Captain GIP P60 gaming desk comes with a fully tailored mousepad with ultra durable stitches edges and premium rubber zero slip base. This mousepad creates a top-notch user experience. Captain GIP P60 gaming desk structure is built with the combination of robust load bearing. The desk is much more stable due to its unique shape, structure and F1 supporter. The company has a 24-hour help desk for any queries and questions. Eureka Gaming offers free accessories like 4 charging USB port, cup holder, double headphone racks and socket holder. These all accessories come together. For the eSport Battle Station, this desk is just so extraordinary because of its extra features. The sleek 60-inch desktop has plenty of space for your gaming monitors, console, keyboard and any other gaming gear. This desk will cost you around 21,000 rupees approx, and the link is in the description. The next at number 2 on our list is Eureka Ergonomic Metal Polygon Lex Design Captain Series Gaming Desk, which is also called GIP P47 Gaming Desk, which features exclusively fully tailored mousepad with ultra durable stitched edges and premium rubber zero slip base. This mousepad creates a top-notch user experience. We can enjoy the space of this desk as grand as a battlefield with this 60-inch gaming surface which has a sleek carbon fiber texture. There are 3 parts which are divided for transportation convenience. There is much more space that you can easily fit your gaming monitors, keyboard and other gaming gear for good gaming experience. The company has a 24-hour help desk for any queries. This desk comes with a unique design Eureka Ergonomic full covered mousepad, socket holder and gamer's gear bundle, gaming controller rack for 4 USB charging ports, cup holder and double headset hub. This is a patent design structure which is very unique anti-rust eye-shaped polygon legs design covered by metallic coating to create a delicate texture finish. Eureka gaming desk equipped with 2 gaming style cable grommets. incorporated premium rubber locking collars, double E gaming sticker and height adjustable desk weight, stabilizing your gaming station on any surface. This gaming desk is just perfect. And this gaming desk will cost you around 21,000 rupees approx, and the link is in the description. The wait is over. The next at number 1 in our list is double E Eureka Ergonomic L-shaped wooden gaming desk, which features multitask center, and the desk is divided into different zones. Due to its L-shaped design, it allows us to use one side as your workstation and the other one for more important matters such as your gaming setup. Extra large desktop with 61-inch L-shaped desk utilizes your room corners effectively and offers plenty of surface area for your keyboard and mouse when writing, gaming, computer work and other home or office activities. The increased legroom and comfort given in this chair is perfect, that no obstacles design provides more space under the desk for your leg movement and storage, allowing you to free up your body, stretch a little when you feel tired. The desk is built with eco-friendly materials, which is made of carved phase 2 and TSCA Title 6 compliant particle board, having much lower formaldehyde emissions than other commonly used board. This desk will cost you around 17,000 rupees, and the link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will meet in the next video. Have a great time.